All right, so today we'll be looking at graph of polar equations. So, polar grids, they're going to be a little bit weird. You have this right there, axis, and then you have, let me do it this way. You're going to have all this. This is pi over 2. Let's say this is pi over 4, and so on. And then you have this grid. So we call this radian 1, radian 2, radian 3, and so on. Okay? So we're going to graph polar equation. So first one is pretty easy. So if I give you graph R, if I give you R equals 3, what is that? What is this graph of? So if I convert that into XY into XY plane, R times R, and since R equals 3, 3 times 3, so you get R squared equal 9. And what do we know about R squared? X squared plus Y squared equal 9. So X squared plus Y squared equal 3 squared. And this is an equation of a circle. So if I'm drawing this as a circle with radius 3. Well, this also kind of makes sense too. So if you graph this in a polar thing, 1, 2, 3, it's a radius 3. It's a circle with radius 3. That's exactly what it means. Now, what if I give you a problem like this? R equals 4 sine of theta. How do we graph that? Well, I'm going to multiply both sides by r, so I get 4r sine theta. So r squared equals 4r sine theta. I know this equals x squared plus y squared, and r sine theta is y equals r sine theta, so I get 4y. If I bring this to the other side, I get y squared minus 4y equals 0. Now, what can you do in order to get a nice complete square? In order to get a circle in this one, I gave you the answer. You have to complete the square. So to complete this square's middle term, divided by 2, and then you square that, y squared minus 4y plus 4. If I'm adding 4 to this side, I gotta add 4 to this side also. So this equals x squared y minus x plus y minus 2 square equal 2 square. So it looks like a circle with shift. It's shifted by 2 and radius is 2. Oh no, it's shifted up 2. So it's shifted up 2 and the radius is 2. That's your circle. All right, let's try this one. R equal negative 2 cosine of theta. Let's try this one. I multiply both sides by r. 2r cosine of theta, you get r squared equal minus, this is x, so I get x squared plus y squared equal negative 2x. So x squared plus 2x plus y squared equals 0. Complete this square, I get x plus 2, x squared plus 2 plus y squared. I add, no, this is 1 actually, divided by 2 and you square that. And I add 1 to this side. So I get x minus plus 1 square. And then plus y squared equal 1. So the radius is 1. This is the tricky one. Since it's inside the parentheses, is plus 1. What it means is it's going to shift by negative 1. So it's going to go to negative 1 right over here. Radius is 1. That's your circle. Now, in the homework, you might see cardioid. We're not going to do this. Basically, what it does is you're going to get a graph. It will look kind of like this, something like that, or it might look something like this. I'm not going to give you that question on the homework or anything like that. That's all. Sometimes just rough of that, if you follow this, sometimes you'll get this nice beautiful graph. Oops, sorry. Oh, sorry. Come on. Something like this, or sometimes you'll get this type of graph. We're not going to do that in this class. Okay. If you have any question, email me. I'm here.